In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select and change colors in Photoshop. If you're new to Photoshop or just looking to refine your editing skills, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's start by diving into Adobe Photoshop. Make sure you have Photoshop open and ready. If you don't already have the program, you can download it from Adobe's website. Once it's ready, the first thing you need to do is prepare your image for editing. This means loading up the specific photo you'd like to work on. If you haven't done so, simply go to File, then Open and select your image file. Next, it's always a good idea, especially when you're starting out or experimenting with more advanced edits, to create a duplicate layer of your original image. Doing this protects your original work and gives you the flexibility to try different edits without concern for irreversible changes. You can quickly duplicate the layer by pressing the shortcut Ctrl+J on your keyboard. You'll notice that a new layer appears in the Layers panel showing your copied image. Now that your working layer is set up, it's time to select the part of your image you want to change. Photoshop provides numerous selection tools to help you achieve this. Whether you prefer the Quick Selection tool or the Lasso tool, find the method that works best for your specific picture. The Quick Selection tool is excellent for selecting areas that are less detailed and have distinct edges, whereas the Lasso tool is better for precision work. Once you've made your selection, the next step is to utilize the eyedropper tool. You can access this tool from the toolbar by pressing the I key. This tool is crucial as it allows you to sample colors directly from your image, ensuring the colors you pick are exactly as they appear on your photo. Moving forward, head to the lower right corner of your Photoshop interface. There you'll find a circle icon known as the Adjustments Layer icon. Clicking this reveals a list of options. From this list, select Hue Saturation. This step is essential as it brings up a dialog where you can adjust the hues and colors of your selection. Finally, it's time to adjust your colors. With the Hue Saturation panel open, you can move the sliders to find the exact color transformation you want. Adjusting the Hue slider changes the overall color, while the Saturation slider affects the color intensity. Once you've achieved the desired effect, you're done. Remember, practice makes perfect. Experiment with different images and selections to become more proficient, and that's how you select and change colors in Photoshop. If you have any questions or would like further guidance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy editing.